What is food? Seems like a dumb question, with a perfectly obvious answer. Food is stuff we eat that fuels our body, right? Well, that's one way to think about it. Food contains energy, or more correctly, chemical bonds that, when broken, are used to create ATP that fuels our cells. But food also includes many other things like micronutrients, phytochemicals, zoochemicals, fiber, water, and perhaps even organic molecules that we haven't even discovered yet. All of these substances play crucial roles in our body, even though they don't necessarily fuel our body. Let's go on a short journey and see what these small parts of foods are. Here we go. In micronutrients, vitamins and minerals. We need vitamins and minerals in our diet. Without them, our body literally breaks down. For example, vitamin C. It's a powerful antioxidant that can help control inflammation and cellular damage. The mineral magnesium plays a role in more than 300 systems that help with protein synthesis, muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, blood pressure regulation, energy regulation and production, and transportation of many materials. The list could go on and on and on and on. While none of these nutrients provide fuel, we still need them to live and thrive. When you're missing key vitamins and minerals, your body doesn't work properly. You feel rotten and you get sick. That's true no matter how much fuel is in the tank. Phytochemicals and zoochemicals. Phytochemicals are nutrients that only occur in plants. Phytochemicals are one of the main reasons that eating fruits and vegetables is good for us. For instance, phytochemicals have been shown to offer DNA protection against free radicals, protect against cancer, decrease the risk of heart disease, and reduce overall mortality. Zoochemicals are nutrients found only in animal products. Zoochemicals have been shown to reduce inflammation and blood clotting, protect against heart disease, suppress cancer cell development, and inhibit complications from diabetes. Phytochemicals and zoochemicals do not provide fuel. So that means food is fuel. Story leaves them out of it too. Food is so much more than fuel. Living organisms are not machines. They are incredibly complex, self-regulating, and dynamically responsive. Almost magical systems. Machines have precise inputs and outputs. For instance, when you fill your car's tank with gas, you know more or less how much you can drive. But if you have spent any time doing caloric math, you will know that trying to calculate precise inputs and outputs for human body is frustrating. Maybe you ate more calories than you thought you should but got leaner. Or you ate fewer calories than you thought you should and gained weight. Or you started eating breakfast instead of skipping it, or vice versa, and dropped a couple of inches on your waistline. According to the simplistic food as fuel wave, none of this should be possible. Yet it happens all the time. Human bodies are not combustion engines. They are complex, dynamic, organic, and infinitely sensitive systems. For example, research shows that all food isn't created equal, and what we eat isn't necessarily what we absorb or use. Dozens, maybe even hundreds of factors affect how we digest and process and utilize the food that we eat. This means that the fuel or calorie value of the food outside the body and inside the body isn't necessarily the same. Plus, our body has its own priorities. For instance, the body will extract nutrients to keep you alive by any means necessary. often making tough compromise along the way. This would be sort of like your car suddenly driving itself to the gas station and holding up the cashier until it gets what it needs, or cannibalizing its own headlights. What's more, your body isn't even completely human. The trillions of microbial critters living in and on us do much of our digestion and nutrient extraction. Analysis of our bacterial environment shows that each of us has an individual gut flora, microbiome, like a fingerprint. Changing our microbiome changes our digestion and absorption, and hence our body composition and health. We are incredibly complicated, self organizing, agenda driven, only sort of humans. Frankly, the machines should be jealous of us. So, if the food as fuel story doesn't give us the whole idea, what is food? Let's see if we can make some sense. Food is in part information. When we eat, we are delivering messages to our body. Do this, don't do that. Don't release that hormone, do release that hormone. Express that protein, don't express this one. Food sends instructions that kicks off a chemical chain. Each molecule of food contributes to a beautiful cascade of events, sending all kinds of signals throughout the body. Make hormones, trigger immune cells, switch genes on and off, tell the work crew to clean up, and builders to get on standby. Lights, camera, and action. It's like the biggest, busiest movie set that you can imagine, and somehow, unlike many film sets, it runs almost perfectly. Our body processes millions of calories and zillions of chemical compounds throughout the year with nearly 100% efficiency. Food is smart, and so is our body. Thinking about food only as fuel reduces it to gasoline, our body to a dumb machine, and you to a caloric accountant. You're more than that. You are more than that. Your body and food deserves a lot more recognition and honor. The more we learn, research, and work on ourselves, the more you'll be amazed at the power of food. Food is packed with meaning, information, and communication. Every decision that we make sends a message to our body. Every food choice is an opportunity to direct, shape, and remake our health, our body composition, our performance, and our well being. Food tells a story. Until now, we have been looking at it in a scientific way, but that's not the one and only perspective. We know that sharing food is a fundamental human act. Breaking bread is part of our history as humans, our culture, our legacy as humans. Food isn't just a chemical story, it is a story about people, how we eat, where we eat, and what we eat. Tells a story. Food helps us communicate about who we are, what we think about, and what's important to us. These stories are essential information about ourselves, our family and friends, and about everybody around us. Knowing these stories is very relevant. It's crucial, powerful, life shaping knowledge. Take a few minutes and answer these questions. What is food? What is food for you? I encourage you to think big, get imaginative, learn a little bit about physiology, learn a little more about humanity, discover why food is the greatest story ever told. The story of the wonder of evolution and biology, a collective grand epic of our humanity. A chemical story written in molecules and not words. It's a story that shapes our daily life, our health. Food is fuel, right? No, it's much more than that. This is Darshan from Health.